when you don't know what to say.
Voiceover feature is a lifesaver.
Click on Voiceover feature. Record Voiceover box opens. Name your file. Choose audio input. And finally, choose your track.
I usually use my DJI mic setup. So you connect this to the computer.
Practice timing by listening to your bad audio track. Line up your playhead just before audio begins. Hit record, wait for 3 seconds countdown, and say the magic words, "When I don't know what to say." And there's your voiceover. Trim it, increase the volume, match up with your original audio, and you're done. Let's have a listen to the original.
When you don't know what to say.
And this is the new version, when I don't know what to say.
When I